Hi, I'm Dale and welcome to Spotted Motors. Today we're going to be taking the Cortina and the Mustang to Northeast Hot Rods. We're going to check out a load of the hot rods, customs, American cars, and maybe a couple of classic cars as well. So we're going to be taking the cars down there. It's run by Scott Barnby. Is a fantastic lad, so definitely get involved in his channels, the Scott Rod and UK or Northeast Hot Rods UK. I'm going to be meeting Michael. He's just sorting his Cortina out, a few bits on the Cortina, hence the intro on my own. So I'm going to fire the Mustang up, head down, catch up with Michael, and then we're going to convoy, hopefully with Phil Evans as well in the Willis pickup, and pray it doesn't rain. So yeah, here we go. Not the best start for Michael in the Cortina. It's just been cutting out. Very untested car on the setup he's on. So hopefully we make it, the three of us. We're off. So as honest as Spotted Motors videos are, we've got all the gear, look. We're ready to rock and roll, but unfortunately the untested twin turbo Cortina is having a few little issues, and we've just pulled over at the side of the road to see if we can rectify it, but it's basically not revving up.
Start it up.
So we made it in the Foxbody and the twin turbo Cortina. While everyone's having a nice chat, we'll have a quick whip round the cars, and here we have a Plymouth Prowler, and I think it's probably only the second time I've ever seen one of these up close. This is a 2001. It's in a lovely bronze coppery colour. It's got the 20-inch 295 wheels on the back, and that is a proper nice looking thing, isn't it? And over here we've got the 67 Plymouth, and that is a nice looking car as well. Love the back wheel on this. I think it just looks a proper nice thing. That is a really nice car, really nice done stripe on the back, the black bonnet. It says on the bonnet we're running a 360 wedge. But that is a proper nice little car, that. Really like that. And then we've got 79 Camaro. This is Scott Barnby's, and the camera will not pick up how nice the colour is on this. He's just had it painted. He's put a lot of time and effort into this thing, and it is a proper nice thing as well. Next door to that we've got the Willis. This is nice. It's got a Willis pickup and a Willis coupe. Both as nice as each other. Both set up heavily for drag racing. Yeah, nice bit of a treat to see two Willies or Willis, whatever you want to call them. And right next to it, look, you've got a little midget. Rubber bumper. Nothing wrong with that. Nice set of mini lights on it. So yeah, only a very small little show, but it's just an excuse for the North East lads to get out and about in the hot rods, have a bit of a chat, tell each other all the problems we're having with the cars, and put the world to right for 10 minutes. So yeah, hopefully we get a couple of shots of everyone leaving. Very calm, very controlled, no burnouts, everyone's a winner. Everyone's happy now. Oh, Spotted Motors, very windy and the microphone doesn't like wind, but they can't do anything about it. But yeah, that was just a little tickle out in both cars to North East Hot Rods UK.
Yeah, you got that right, yeah.
Got that right. Massive thank you to Scott Barnby.
Yes, top lad, isn't he?
Yeah, for putting the show on, getting a couple of the North East lads together, and give us some stickers.
Yeah, exactly. I always like a sticker, don't we?
We like a sticker, so we'll be supporting them stickers and supporting North East Hot Rods UK. Don't forget to check Scott out, which is Scott Rod.
Scott Rod, yeah.
YouTube channel and the Instagram channel, and the North East Hot Rod is the Facebook page.
Yeah, that's right, mate.
Fantastic.
Covered.
So next time we see the Cortina, it's going to be running a lot better.
I don't know. It's still waiting, mate. Still waiting.
And yeah, we'll leave that as that. And I think we'll wrap up today.
Yeah,
and
let's go and have a beer.
Let's go and have a beer, I think. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, get involved, and
yeah, we'll see you on Wednesday at the dyno.
Yes. Awesome. Thank you very much for watching.
We've been
Spotted Motors.